In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new General Finishes milk paint color. Let's make over this nightstand and give it a whole new look. I'm Jenni with Roots and Wings Furniture, and today we are going to use a brand new General Finishes milk paint color called Ballet Pink. I'm really excited to open up this can and see how it looks on this piece of furniture. This is kind of an unusual piece. It was marked as a tea cart. It had some wheels, so I took those off because I think it would be a fantastic nightstand. But any way that someone wants to use it, I think pink will be a really fresh, fun color. A great color for spring, and a color that is somewhat of a neutral these days, and we can use it in a lot of different places. So that's what we're gonna do to this piece right here. I'm gonna take off some hardware and get some prep work done, and then we will get to painting. I'm just prepping this piece with 220 grit sandpaper. A light scuff sanding is all it takes. And I'll clean it all with a mix of half and half denatured alcohol and water. Okay, this piece is all prepped, and so now I've got my paint. This is, again, Ballet Pink. I'm gonna mix it up here really quick. Just give it a good stir with a stir stick. And the milk paint is nice and thick, which is super, super good, and I'm hoping for good coverage on this color. Initial reactions to this paint and color. Love the paint, love the thickness. It goes on really smooth, and I know as it dries, it will level and hardly even show any brush strokes at all. Love the color. It's really soft pink. A fantastic color. Not too girly pink, baby pink, anything like that. More of a nice rose type color. Ballet Pink. Good name for it. I will need 2 coats for sure, but I don't think any more than 2 coats. I feel like the coverage is pretty good. We're covering obviously this dark wood, so it's not unusual to need 2 coats of milk paint. Okay, the first coat on this is dry, so we're gonna go ahead and do the second coat and see how well it covers. Just a reminder, anytime you're using a really light color paint over especially a darker wood, the first coat always looks like this. It looks like you kind of just ruined the piece, but just stay with it, keep going, and this second coat is gonna make it look so much better. So here we go. Okay, I'm done with the second coat of paint, and I think this piece is gonna need 2.5 coats. And what I mean by that is just coming back, the 2-coat coverage was really nice. I'm just gonna have to come back in and touch up just a few places with another coat, not all over, just in a few spots. So that's what I mean by the half coat. So I'm gonna let this dry again. Each time, you know, give it a couple hours till it's dry to the touch. I'll come back and just touch up any spots that may need it. And then I will be back to show you how this piece turned out. So I love Ballet pink. It's a great, really soft pink. It's like barely pink, so it's just the perfect color. I'm really excited about it, and I think this piece is gonna turn out fantastic. So I will show it to you here in just a minute. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my website, rootsandwingsfurniture.com, for more painting tips and tricks and DIY. Also, subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss a thing. Click the button below.